Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best tips and hips on the internet, in my opinion. If you don't have long tables on your jointer, or maybe you don't have a jointer at all but you've got a thicknesser, then you can joint boards through the thicknesser. And I'm doing this with a long flat board clamped into the thicknesser and then running the boards through on top of that. So on this one side I'm taking out the crown on the one side, so just removing material from the middle of that section, that edge, and once that's trued down to a flat surface I can flip it over, work on the other side where I'll be taking off material from just the ends and not the center, as you can see here. Now I'm just finishing off the pair of boards together through the jointer so that they end up being the same dimensions. Now the proof of the pudding, as they say, that's a pretty well jointed edge, if I say so myself. Maybe not perfect, but very quick with a hand plane to sort out any problems that there might be. But actually if I was gluing those together I don't think I'd have any trouble at all. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now, and if you share this video I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes.